Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to restore your iPhone if you forgot your passcode and still want to use the phone. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. So now we're going to put the iPhone in recovery mode. This model is the iPhone 6s. If you don't know how to put your model in recovery mode, just look it up on YouTube or Google. So for the iPhone 6s, you will shut down your device. And then hold the home button and plug the charger in at the same time. When you see the Apple logo, wait, don't release the home button until you see this screen. We'll move on to the computer now. On the computer, click Restore iPhone, Restore and Update, Next, and Agree right here. And then it should download everything as usual. And then if your iPhone restarts and it's not on the hello screen, just go back in recovery mode. And if it does restart and this line pops up, that means it's restoring. So yeah, then it should restart again. And you should be on the hello screen. And then that means you successfully succeeded this project. It's without a password. Now just set it up as usual, as you would set up a phone. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.